lovely peeps, happy Sunday. It's an exciting day. We are moving into the sewing room. We're going to put all the furniture in, all of the sewing room boxes, all of my Sean's fabric and paper crafting boxes, and then we've got a week to unpack. So I am taking down this bedside table because this is actually mum and dad's. I've been borrowing it because mine are buried in all the furniture that's going to the sewing room and we weren't able to get at them, but we will be today, so that's exciting. This is what I'm talking about. All of this will be going. We should have a dining room back today. This is very exciting. We had to change the colour of the floor because the white paint was just truly awful, but this is a couple of coats of the grey and it's looking really good. Slight hiccup in that the guys that we booked for today have just not turned up and they're not answering their phone and not replying to text messages. So we're not moving into the sewing room today. There is zero chance of mum, dad and I doing this by ourselves. I need someone to help carry the furniture, and whilst we may be able to do like one or two pieces, we wouldn't be able to do all of the thing that I showed you just now, all of that kitchen full. So mum and I are going to try and move the bookcases that are currently in the front hallway, the entryway by the front door. We put them there because they were in the sitting room in one of the alcoves, which we were meant to have somebody come around to measure up to put built-in bookcases in, and they didn't turn up. We moved the bookcases into the hallway because they were only supposed to be there until today, so like 3 or 4 days. But yeah, so I have been trawling the internet for handymen in the area for their phone numbers. The only one that and I appreciate that it's Sunday, the only one that's answered is having knee surgery tomorrow, so he won't be back on his feet for a good 8 weeks, bless him. But he did recommend somebody else who I've emailed. I obviously am not expecting to hear back today. There's nothing we can do today. It's Sunday. It's one of those things. So we're kind of really feeling really deflated. I've moved my bedside table out of the way because, you know, I was going to replace it with mine. And I can't do that, but I'm not putting it back because just no. Mum and I are going to attempt to move some of the bookcases down just so that we've done something today. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. But it's just so disappointing. It's so disappointing because it means all of the plans for this week, which were organising it all and filming it all and things like that, can't happen. We'll see. I mean, we'll see. Hopefully we'll hear back from some people tomorrow, and hopefully they could come tomorrow or Tuesday, but the likelihood of that is pretty slim. It's really disappointing. It will have been over 2 months since I have been able to sew anything and I miss it. I miss it a lot. But yeah, it is what it is. So I don't know what I'm going to do with myself for the rest of the afternoon. I have got another Get the Look for Less video that I filmed at the same time as my Zimmerman one. Thank you for all of the love on that. I have got that to edit. I wasn't planning on putting that up until April, but given that I was planning on putting up the sewing room reveal at the end of this week, I'm not sure what the schedule is going to be anymore. I have some other videos that I can film, and I suppose now that I have a empty white room, it will be the perfect place to do the twirls, which was something that I have no idea where I'm going to do them when that place is full. We shall see. I need a filming backdrop kind of thing. But yeah, so you know, like I can adapt. I can try different things. It's not the end of the world. It's just disappointing. It's just really disappointing. I was really looking forward to this week of unpacking things, reorganizing things, for playing with my fabric, putting my patterns in new order and all that kind of stuff. I'm sad, but never mind. We shall take it as it comes. Fingers crossed we hear back from somebody tomorrow and they can move us quickly. We shall see. Good morning, lovely peeps. Happy Monday. I am going to attempt to move some boxes. I'm not sure how many I'm going to get done. I need to get about 9 done so I can get to some more of the furniture. So I'm going to give it a try. We'll see how it goes. Probably not well, but fingers crossed. I managed 3 boxes. Dad has performed a miracle and has found 2 guys that are coming after lunch today to come and do the rest. So I've down tools because I'm knackered after those 3 boxes. But this is what Mum and I did yesterday. We got all of these pieces down. They're pretty much where they're going to go. We just need to get some drawers in here so that we can space it properly. But yeah, gonna get moved in today, which is so exciting.
One eternity later.
Yes, look, Mum, wave from the other end of the dining room. We can actually get there and see it. Yay! Look at all that floor space. Look at it. So we've kept our machines up here because there's just nowhere safe for them to go down there at the moment. And then this is all dining room and book stuff. But floor, actual floor. Good grief. I mean, theoretically, all of the stuff in the brown boxes came out of all the white furniture, so technically it should all go back in, but oh my god. But yeah, the guys have done an amazing job. I moved some stuff too. You know, like those boxes there, my unpacking boxes that are empty, I moved those. But just, yeah, we are sort of in. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. I found my scuba dresses. They were in a box by the window in the dining room, so there was no hope of me getting them until today, until everything had been moved. I have also found my socks, which is very exciting. Gloves and bits and pieces like that, so I now need to try and find somewhere for this all to live. It'll be fine. It'll be totally fine. It'll be totally fine. I have space under the bed because, as you guys know, this is an ottoman bed. I have got one entire 1 meter long by 58 centimeter deep IKEA box empty under there, and these are seasonal. I won't probably wear these again now until it gets much colder. It was so lovely and warm today, although it did make very hot making whilst we were walking down all the boxes and stuff. So yeah, it's been a amazingly productive day. It's just the lift of mood of all of us in the house this evening was just amazing. It's just so lovely to know that I can go in and organise the sewing room from tomorrow, and also the fact that Mum and Dad can order the dining table. We got all the stuff out of the way for the alcoves for when the guys come to measure up for the built-in bookcases. Chiana's come to say hi. So yeah, it's just been, after so low spirits yesterday, such high spirits today, has been amazing. Yeah, we had a very lovely Indian for dinner, which was amazing as well. We cracked another bottle of Prosecco to celebrate this momentous occasion. Just so happy. So happy. So I am going to try and organise all this evening. I'm not going to film the process. It's not going to be very glamorous. It's been an amazing day. So I'm going to call it a night now. I hope you've enjoyed the little bits and pieces that I have filmed over the last couple of days, and I will hopefully see you at the end of the week, if not at the beginning of next week, with a sewing room reveal. I'm so excited. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.